To view Book It Now loads, click on the Loads icon from the Explore tab on the opening screen. You may be prompted to enter in your phone number and carrier information, or if you have already entered this information, it will take you straight to the loads list. This screen will show you the available loads near your current location. If you would like to see available loads at your destination, enter your preferred location into the Where To box at the top of the list. For this example, I will use Nashville. The notification screen that pops up is for you to verify your ETA at that destination. This ETA is pre-calculated based on your distance and route to that destination. To edit your ETA to account for breaks or stops, click on the date and time to set your ETA with the scrolling wheel for each. Then hit confirm. The list will then show you all the available loads at your destination. To find Book It Now loads, you can scroll through the loads list until you see a load that says Book It Now in the bottom right corner. To book this load, click on the preferred load to pull up the load details. Then you can click the Book It Now button displayed at the bottom of the screen. The next screen will show you all the load details you need to know and give you the opportunity to update your contact information so the broker can contact you. Once you have confirmed your contact information, press the Book It Now button in the bottom right corner. The load has now been successfully booked, and a menu will pop up with different options to interact with along your way. If you accidentally close out of this menu or want to access it at a later time, you will see a Booking Confirmed button at the bottom of the screen, which will bring that menu back up. From here, you can get truck-specific routing, find truck stops, find rest areas, or plan your next reload at the destination of that Book It Now load.